Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy DeVille, bringing you guys a video on how to get the Kick.com app on your mobile device. So, as of right now, of course, we know they don't have an official mobile app for Android or Apple, but there is a way to get it on Apple. So, first, what you want to do is open Safari. Once you go into Safari, you're going to load up Kick. And of course, once you get Kick loaded up, you're going to hit the bottom button with a square and an arrow on it. Scroll down, click Add to Home Screen. Once you add it to your home screen, it'll show up as an app like this. And then, of course, you go into the app, start to log in, of course, get your login set up and all that good stuff. And then from here, once you're logged in, you should be able to see your profile, following, browse, homepage, all that good stuff. So essentially, this is just a shortcut, of course, but it does allow you to have it on your phone as an app until we get the actual Kick.com app released to us. I'm pretty sure, a lot of you guys may already know how to do this. If not, hey, here you go. This is your opportunity to do this on your phone so you can have it, on the go. And hopefully this becomes useful for you guys. Just letting you guys know as well, we do go live over on Kick.com as well. It's Kick.com/DeVille TV. Hope to see you guys in some streams. And yeah, we'll catch you guys later.